Good morning, everyone. My name is Abhay. Today, I am presenting seminar topic in medical application of 4D printing and concept, introduction, objectives, history, and literature, working principle, parts and function, advantages and limitations, application, conclusion, and reference. Introduction: 4D printing allows creative impact that can change response environment stimuli and mimic natural issues and behavior. Objectives: customer's impact, create a personal impact that can adapt to individual patients, minimize invasive devices. Development device can be deployed adjacent, minimizing and invasively. History and literature. 2030 and term of 4D printing of coined by Scale Tributes and researchers MIT. 2040 first 4D printing prototype was the development using of shape and memory analysis. And 2050 researchers have begun exploring use of the hydrological astromatic materials. History literature 2080 and application of biomedical, aerospace and textile industry have started of emerged 2020, and the field of contributor expand with the advancement of multi-materials painting and machines and learning. Student survey 2000, 2090 of the concentration review of field shaper memory alloys and the 4D printing as tributed 2040 and fundamental paper of using MSMS hydrogen based 4D printing at 2017 and review of the ideological application. It's your literature survey and 4D printing of the biomedicine AK Governor 2020 and review of biomedical application. And for depending of challenge opportunities of 2020 decision of the field for future of decision. Working principle, stimulus, smart designing and 4D printing and transformation. The sequence was the smart dynamic structure, creative use of ink transformation of smart dynamic structure. Stimulus applied, the concept of the printed materials response to the environment stimuli such as light, moisture, and the change of shape of environment, change of shape of properties the over time, hence the fourth dimension begin time. Parts and function, biochemical materials, the shape of memory alloys, polymers, ideological and the capitable of the of the body, sensor, indicator sensor, minor temperature of pH or other personalized factors, and actuators, components of trigger shape change, such as heating elements of lighter sources. Parts and function, control the system in the algorithm of software that regulated the shape shifting process. Biological components of cells and proteins, other biological molecules impacted the printed material structure. Advantages: cost-effective real-time monitoring, biocapital devices, customized surgical instrument and dynamic impacting. Disadvantages: material limitations, scalability, high cost, technical complexity, integration of with SST. Application: personalized medicine, tissues and engineer, and smart possibilities, and skin draft, vascular draft, dental application, neurological devices, and vascular draft. Applications show in the application of figure. Imaging the provisions in the microfluidic devices channels likely demonstrating of fabrication and of application. Each of sub images show the different shows and configuration of canals and stamps and scale bars indicating of size and structure. Conclusion: and the medical application of 4D printing are transform heat healthcare and personalized and dynamic solutions, advises surgical planning, drug delivery drug delivery and wood care and improving the patients and outcome. Reference medical application of 4D printing of reviews 2020. Dr. Frank Ripik Colleges. SMM of US in reviews in 4D printing in 2017, and Jayad Kumar of Kumar and S. Asim in the product designing and development using. Thanks.